Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a blue summer makeup look and I hope you like it. So I've already done the rest of my face. We're just going to go straight into the eyeshadow. I like having a sharper outline on this look, so I'm just going to use washi tape. In my experience, regular tape works great too. Not the best for your face, but you know what? It gets the job done. So I just try to connect this from the base of my lid towards the bottom of my brush. So I'm going to be using the Tammi X Revolution palette by Revolution. Yeah. So I'm just going to start with this light blue right here. I'm going to blend it towards the outer corner of my eye and then into my crease. I'm going to try and do this with this mirror. That way you can see. I usually do this really close up. So let's hope this turns out well. Also, another heads up, my eyes are not primed right now, which is for the best, because if you want a really good payoff from this palette, then you can just put some concealer on beforehand and you will get some of the brightest colors I've ever seen. So I've kind of gotten the base of that down, so I'm just going to keep on going in until I have that full color I want. It won't be as full as if I primed my eye, but it will be full to where it'll be like a cotton candy blue. Alright, so that's where we are at with the light blue, and then I'll go in with my concealer, which is by Sephora. And yes, this is a paintbrush. So I'll get it on my paintbrush that also isn't rounded. It's my lovely angled paintbrush. And I'm just gonna paint that onto like my lid. Actually, I need to take this off because it's really hard to work on your inner corner whenever you have tape on the outer side of your eye. Crazy, I know. That wasn't too bad so far. Yeah, essentially this is just a cut crease that I'm doing right now, sort of. Because I will blend it in the end, but as far as the crease goes, it's cut. Just kind of blend that down. And then because I've never understood how people are able to blend concealer on their eye with a brush, I just go with a tiny beauty blender. There we go. It's kind of messy up there right now, but we could just go and fix that later. Then I use a flat brush like this so I can pack the color on the inner corner, because I like putting a yellow in there. That way it's nice and bright and it's not just, you know, blue. So then I just take that yellow color, I can't remember if I already said this or not, that yellow, and then pat it on the inner corner of my eye. Okay, also mad respect to the YouTubers who just like hold a mirror and do their makeup at the same time, because I can't. It's because I always hold my eye whenever I'm putting on eyeshadow. Maybe I just have like twitchy eyes, who knows. Alright, once I have that yellow on there, I usually go in with this orange, and I'll just do it on the other side of my brush. That way, you know, I can save brushes without having to wash them because I have issues. I just pack that in and try and blend what I can. I try to make the orange go to like the middle of my lid to blend in with that yellow. And then if I need to, I'll go in with more yellow. So that's just kind of like the base of the look. And then I go in and touch everything up. Where did I put my washi tape? There it is. I'm doing great. All right, get that puppy slapped back on there. And then I go back in with that light blue and just touch up the crease and anything that might have gone over. Because I don't like the orange being the entire lid. I kind of like it almost going into that blue like that, where it's almost like another cut in it. Then I go in and fix the crease area, anywhere that concealer might have gotten. This is a completely different palette, but I really love the golden color that's in here. This is the Nubian, I believe, 2. And then I just use Nairobi. Any like gold sparkly powder will do, I guess. Just so long as it's pigmented. This one's actually a bit darker than the yellow I use, which makes it interesting whenever I'm trying to do my inner eye. Just makes it pop a bit more. Actually, no, it might be a bit lighter. I don't know at this point. My life's a lie. So after I've done my inner eye, I wipe off this piece, because I always just have like a piece of toilet paper or tissue next to me whenever I'm doing my eyeshadow. Because whenever I'm using small brushes like this, I can just wipe them off if I need to reuse them. Because if they're clean, then they're not gonna have a bunch of powder like in their crevices. So I'm just gonna leave that on, prevent as much fallout as possible. And I'm gonna go back in with that light blue color and go under my eye. I actually used to hate eyeshadow looks that would go like this because I thought they always looked very grungy, very unclean. But now I really like them because now I feel like they just complete the eyeshadow. Like it's not just empty underneath. Then I'm just gonna go back in with my yellow towards the inner. Then to wrap that up, I'll go in with orange. I usually don't have to wipe it whenever I have yellow before it because it won't really mess with the color too much because it's yellow. Then I'll go in with my eyeliner, which I'm gonna do off camera because this one is starting to run out of eyeliner, like ink. So it might take a minute. Okay, it is very chunky and not great, but you know what? You get the gist, and clearly I need to get a new eyeliner. Now I'm just gonna go in with mascara so I can wrap it up and hopefully, you know what, hide the horrible job I did at my eyeliner. Hide my problems with more problems. All right, now that that eye's done, I'm gonna go in and do this eye and hopefully it turns out a bit better. We'll see. So I think I'm still gonna leave this piece in the video, but it's just going to be in time lapse. So, fun. That is the finished blue summer makeup eyeshadow tutorial. I would say this almost qualifies as tropical. No, I would say that. It's definitely colorful. But yeah, if you want a fun, colorful eyeshadow for this summer, you should definitely try this out. If you haven't left a like or subscribed yet, please do, and make sure to hit the bell that way you get notified whenever I post, because apparently YouTube does not like telling the majority of subscribers who they're subscribed to posts unless they have the bell on. So if you would like to see more of my posts, make sure to do that. All right, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.